We're going to do the exercise on investigating data in Ensembl Rapid Release. The exercise says you're interested in finding the gene UQCRQ in wild Bactrian camel, which is only available in rapid release. It says search for UQCRQ in human on ensembl.org. So here we are in ensembl.org, so I'm going to search for UQCRQ. And then go to the top hit, which is our human gene. And the next part says export the protein sequence of the canonical transcript. So I need to pick the canonical transcript from the transcript table. If you can't see the transcript table, you may need to click on this Show Transcript Table button to expand it. We have a canonical transcript here at the top, so I'm going to click on the ID and I'm going to go to Protein to get its sequence, which is listed here, and I'm just going to copy the sequence. The next part says use BLAST on rapid.ensembl.org to search for the human UQCRQ sequence in the wild Bactrian camel protein database. So I'm going to go to Ensembl Rapid Release, which is rapid.ensembl.org, and I'm going to go to BLAST. And I'm going to paste in my sequence. I need to change the species that I'm searching against, so I'm going to go into Add Remove Species. I'll just get rid of this one that's selected, and I'll type in the species that I'm looking for, and it's found this Camelus ferus wild Bactrian camel for me, so I'll click on this and hit Apply. So now that's added the species number, and I want to search against proteins, so I'm going to select Protein Database here and then hit Run. So now my job's appeared in the job table. I'm just going to wait for that to complete. So that job's now completed, so I'll hit View Results. And the question says, how many hits do you get? Well, there are 2 hits. And based on these results, what can you say about the copy number of this gene in wild Bactrian camel? So we can see that we've both hits are from position 1 to 82 in the subject protein, so this would be the protein that's the hit, compared with positions 1 to 82 of our input sequence, our query. We've got quite high percentage identity, sort of 80% and 70%, and quite low E values. And this suggests that one of these is a copy. So one of them is the original gene, and one of them is a paralog that's come about through gene duplication. So the next part says go to the location of the top BLAST hit. So I'm going to click on genomic location for this top hit. And it says turn on tracks for RNA-seq gene models. So I'll click on configure this page, and I'll go into RNA-seq gene models, and I'll just hover over gene models and then select all, which will turn on all these tracks, and I'll save and close. And the question says, in what cell types is there evidence of expression of this gene? So if I scroll down, you can see we've got all of these hits. So we can see here's the gene, here is our BLAST hit, which is matching up to the coding regions of the gene, and we've got models in lots of different cell types. So we've got tonsil, second chamber stomach, subcutaneous fat. I won't read through all of them, but this is pretty much, if I just quickly configure the page and go into display, into information and decorations, and say display empty tracks. we'll see, so there's no expression shown in spleen, testes, supraoctave nucleus, male esophagus, male duodenum, etc. So there's a few tissues where we don't have expression of this particular transcript, but most of them do have expression.